Everyone,
welcome back. Just wanted to do another unboxing. So we ended up finding the Popmart's new collaboration with Disney, and we've got the Stitch series. So we love Disney. We also love Stitch, like Lilo and Stitch. And yeah, we are definitely really stoked for this one. So we've been waiting for this one to come on in, and so we're excited to open it. All right, so this is the cover here, and this is officially Popmart. So let's take a look here. We've got the Popmart signature right here, and then this is what you could officially get. So there is a secret, I believe, and I think it's the Minnie Mouse version of it, but we are hoping to get something with this. So
this is
yeah, I think that
it may have a secret.
Yeah, so it may have a secret. So we're gonna just go ahead and start off.
Oh, these are the 9 different ones, but it doesn't say what the secret is. Oh, okay.
There's 9 different ones. So there's a Mickey Stitch, a Winnie the Pooh Stitch, who is one of my favorite characters. There's Dumbo Stitch, Pinocchio,
Dumbo Stitch,
the Beast, Cheshire Cat, Tigger, Dalmatian, and Simba. But we'll keep showing you guys along the way here. All right, actually, I think what I'll do, just so that I can have this. So I've been doing displays of these different...
many displays.
Multiple displays of these, and so I use the background of the box as the background of the display boards. So, yeah, all right. So we got this. All right, you can choose first my stitches.
Okay. Gotta go for the middle.
Okay, all right.
Stitch. Availability. Official Popmart. Let's go.
All right, I'll go for this one. Side here. This. And this is what you could get.
Someone is at the front door.
We'll grab that later. Just been there now, that's all.
Actually, we'll just do a quick pause.
Okay, we're gonna pause really quick. Be right back, guys.
Fine. We're back. So, all right, we're gonna have you open first.
So Popmart official. We got the plastic baggies. Rip and
What you got?
I feel fuzzy.
Ooh,
What is this?
cute. This is a Dalmatian.
Oh, the Pongo.
Aw, that's so cute.
It's nice.
You can never really
Popmart.
go wrong with Disney, to be honest.
His little tongue, like a
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. I think I know what it is. Okay, we've got Pinocchio.
Pinocchio.
Aw, it's cute. This is such a cute little detail. Okay, gotcha. There's that. And then the cute.
What's that? The little thing from his hat. Gotcha.
Yeah, that's the feather.
Oh, the feather. That's right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Right.
Got a feather on his hat.
Okay, your turn in terms of cleaning things out. Next.
Let's do
Whoops.
top left.
I will do top right to be aligned.
All right, let's go.
Just trying to get that back in the bag here. Go ahead.
Putting Pinocchio back in this house.
Yeah. All right.
All right, let's go. Pull number 3. Let's get this out. Let's go. All right. Back. Don't look at the card inside.
I know. I try really hard not to look at the card inside.
Feel fuzzy, and reveal.
Ooh, this was Simba.
Simba.
We were just watching Mufasa like a couple weeks ago. No.
Yeah,
last
a couple days ago.
All right. I feel a fuzzy. All right, open one up myself. Ready? 1, 2, 3. My favorite! Winnie the Pooh! I love this one. This one's so
What does it look
cute.
like?
So cute.
Oh, he's got a little.
If I have an extra one of them, I'm gonna hang it on my bag because we're gonna be going to Disney World pretty soon.
Yes, we are.
Yes, Disney World. I'm not sure if we're gonna vlog it, but
Yeah, we'll see.
we will see. it's been a while since we've done our vlogs, so.
Yes, true.
All right.
I think we're still catching up on a couple, but it's all good.
No, it's hard because the vlogging,
Yeah.
it requires a lot of storage on our computers, and my MacBook's really, really old. I've had it since before med school, so.
That is true.
Yeah, so. All right.
Was this pick 4?
What's that?
Pick 4.
Pick 4.
Pick
No,
4.
pick 3. Pick 3. Pick
Oh,
3 for you. Pick
that's
3
true.
for me.
All right, let's go, guys.
All right, let's go. I would love to have an extra one too. That way I could just carry it around me, and then I have one for the collection.
I'm gonna call him Mickey. Call him Mickey.
I'm gonna see.
Shaboom!
Oh, you got the Cheshire Cat.
Oh, look at that.
cute
The
too.
smile is very
That was so cute.
Cheshire Cattish.
Aw, that one's cute. That one's also super cute. I love that one. Okay, let's see. Well, so what we have left so far is Tigger, Dumbo, I think,
Dumbo.
and Mickey, and the Beast. Okay.
Oh, the Beast. Ooh.
Yeah. Alright. I think I might be getting. Let's see. I like Tigger. Let's see if we can get Tigger. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got Mickey.
Mickey.
So you called on to Mickey.
Yeah.
That's what Mickey looks like. So cute. Oh my goodness. So cute. I love Disney. Disney is definitely very heartfelt. Everything amazing.
True.
Okay.
Very
Alright, so we've got 3 more boxes. Hoping for a secret. You know, right?
All right.
Alright.
You pick.
Meeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay. So what are you hoping for?
The Beast.
Okay, so you want the Beast. I'm hoping for Secret or Tigger. Let's see.
Yeah. Ready?
Alright, ready?
Let's go.
1, 2.
See some red.
Oh! I
Tigger!
thought Tigger's on this side.
Look at
Watch, the Beast is gonna be on this side.
Oh, what a... He's got some hands up.
Isn't that so cute?
Can you get the hands?
I love
Oh, you
it.
can't.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got Dumbo.
Dumbo.
Dumbo's cute.
Dumbo.
Dumbo definitely is very, very cute. I love that
It's
one.
the elephant.
It's an elefante.
Yes.
Elefante. Just like our favorite restaurant in Scottsdale.
Yes.
Alright.
Last one for you.
Oh, you go ahead.
You pull it. All yours.
Well,
We have 3 more chances.
alright.
Psych, we got 3 more chances. Ha.
Alright. Alright. So. Let's see. Alright.
Oh, is it our pull? Oh, yeah, we both pulled together. All right.
Yeah.
Let's go. We'll do a double reveal at the same time. Let's go, ready?
Okay, hold on. Ready? 1, 2. I got the Beast.
I got an extra Mickey.
There's a Mickey right here. All right.
Okay.
The Beast is cute too.
Yeah.
I like the. Oh, that's cute. That is really cute, actually. All right. Let's see what this
One
last
final
one.
chance.
One final chance. One final chance.
I don't know if this came from the box. It'll probably have a duplicate or secret.
No, it's probably the duplicate. It's probably the extra that I bought.
Oh, no, that one.
This one?
Because I mixed them around.
Oh,
I
yeah.
don't know what came from which.
Okay.
Last
Well,
chance.
let's see. Ready? Secret, 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 secret. Do it. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got an extra Simba.
Oh, extra Simba. Nice.
Aww, that was cute. All right. Well, thank you guys for coming along. No secret this time around, but we are definitely really grateful that we got this one.
Yeah.
And then we will see you at our next unboxing. Great.
Sure.
You guys take care. We love y'all. Bye.